Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial, we are going to learn about how we can use Canva Letterhead in Google Docs. So I'm going to show you the perfect method and we are going to learn step by step. So let's start with the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. First, here you can see in Canva, you can create the blank page. You can start with the scratch or you can go to the templates here under the home page and search for letterhead. Then you can see lots of design or templates design you can see. Okay, you can take any one as per your requirement. So I just take this one. Let me search better. Okay, this one. So you can see if when you select any design, you can see the more option with similar design, and at bottom you can take any any design from here. Okay, if you want to change this design, you can select the design from here. So I just change it. I just take this one. Okay, go to customize templates. So now here we need to customize. Okay, you can delete that content. Okay, you can customize your that zoom it and you customize your address from here. Okay, you can make it only date. Okay, delete this date. You can customize your address, you customize your name, you can change the logo. You have to upload the logo here. Okay, upload your logo from your device, then just select that logo and change with that existing logo. You can change it. Okay, first you need to upload the logo from your device here, then you can see your uploaded device logo here. Then you need to just select that. You need to delete existing logo, then replace it with your logo. You can also change your company name. This is your company, your whatever you have, you can customize this or simply delete it. Okay, here the signature, you can upload your company signature or your CEO signature from here and just replace it. You can delete it and replace it with your signature. Here the address, you can change the address. Just double click on element and just change the address. You can also change the color. If we have different color with your company logo and name, you can change from here. Just select that and change the color whatever you want. Okay, you can also take the colors from your logos. Just select that logo, go to the color, here, and you can see this your company logo code, color logo code. Just select that and copy it. Okay, you can copy from here. Now go to the any elements, like if you want to change the text color, go to the select the text, go to the text color. Here you need to paste this color, control V. The color has been changed, you can see. Same as you can change color of any elements like the border, the background or whatever. Okay, after done, go to the share, download. Download as a PNG, rename it and download as a PNG and download it. So it will be start download. Now this is our file. Just open it, open the location. Okay, this is our PNG file. Now come to the Google Docs. Here search for watermark. If you don't find the watermark option here in file, you can go to search for watermark here. Then this option will be come up. Select that. Now go to the select image, click on the select image options. Now we need to upload that PNG file here. Just click on browse. Okay, that is a PNG file. Just select that, open it. So it will be start upload. It will be take few seconds. Now it's as upload. Now just untick this fade it, make it 150%. If it is go, if it is goes outside of page or not perfectly, then you can decrease that scale like 120 or maybe 130. I think it should be 140. Okay, now I think it's good. Now go to the more option, you can increase the brightness of this letterhead, or you can change the opacity, contrast, whatever, or if you don't find it's perfect, then you can reset it at original. Now come out and done it. Now simply click and take the your cursor down and start writing here. Okay, now you can start easily. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.